Do you want to make your ads working again? I know that one. Every day there are so many ads are going on. Every day new entrepreneurs are borning. But beside that one, during this challenging time, I'm telling you, more than 80% of entrepreneurs, expert, business owners are facing problem with their Facebook ads, conversion, sales. You know why? Because there are too much competition. We think like too much confidence, like basically competition. But dosto, that is not the reality. Reality is all about why your ads are not working. There are some patterns, and in today's live session मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ 4 strategies, guys. I'm telling you what is, guys, 4 strategies to make your ads working again and make a return on your ads, ad spends, marketing efforts, whatever you are doing. Okay, so dosto, first of all I want to tell you here, see, if you are entrepreneur, trainer, coach, consultant, running webinar, getting leads, or offline entrepreneur, offline business owner, आपको online आना चाहते हो, और second part आपको leads आ रहे हैं लेकिन convert नहीं हो रहे, और leads आ रहे हैं, call उठा रहे लेकिन they are not buying from you. So there are some patterns. Also, there are some of you might be having lack of budget, right? Hi everyone, thanks for the joining. Okay, so some of you might be having lack of budget in your business to put into your advertising, right? But today I'm going to give 4 steps which you can use and maximize your ROI in your Facebook ads, in your organic ads, and those are the things. Okay, but now before I start, okay, all of the members who are watching live here, what is the biggest problem you are facing in your business right now? What is the biggest problem you are facing? I'm just asking you. I just raised the poll here. What is the biggest problem you are facing right now in your business? Just type in comment box, just answer that poll. Like no quality leads, no consistent sales, lack of budget, lack of consistency. Just answer the poll. Okay, just answer the poll, or you can type in the comment box also. What is that one thing I'm telling you, you are facing that in problem? Okay guys, I'm telling you here, after personally working with 500 plus entrepreneurs, spending more than almost 20-25 lakhs on the ads, I have discovered the formula to make that ads working again. Okay, this is not about your advertising, guys. I'm telling you here. Okay, you can share the comment below. Okay, you can share the comment below. I want to really hear all of you. Okay, all of you. You can just answer that poll. See, first, if you want to make your ads working again and make profit in your marketing, first you must not rely on only Facebook ad, or I am telling you only on paid ad. आपको उसके साथ में organically भी boosting करना चाहिए. What I mean to say organically in the sense, like just like I'm doing this Facebook live, right? What is this, guys? This is the organic method. I'm telling you why. You can use Instagram, use Facebook live, you can have a YouTube channel, and there are different channels. Reason I'm telling you, might be watching कि दत्ता, some of might be thinking दत्ता मैं Facebook live कर रहा हूँ, people are not responding. I'm telling you guys, this is a long-term strategy. You know, I was running ad. Okay guys, somebody has like given tip here. Okay, awesome guys. One second guys, one second. I want to tell you here. Here we go. Awesome. Get, so I'm just going live Facebook here. So basically I want to tell you here, first thing, you should, beside your Facebook paid ad, आपको organically भी काम करना है. Why? Because Facebook algorithm, they look for your organic activities. आपके पेज के ऊपर क्या चलता है, what are you engaging, आपका Facebook profile, everything. And you know guys, you know, in the morning somebody called me before buying my ticket to my upcoming workshop. ये बंदे ने क्या बोला पता है? You know guys, what he told, दत्ता मैं आपके प्रोफाइल पे गया on the Facebook page and I check कि आपका कितने followers है, what you do. I am telling you guys, if anybody lands on my page, they say this kind of video, oh guys, this guy is creating video, adding some value. You see here, people register. Second part I'm telling you, I want to tell you here, same thing you can do with YouTube channel also. You know guys, you can drive that traffic to your funnel. Okay, you can drive that funnel to your, basically that link to your funnel. That is important part. And dosto, I want to tell you one more thing here. Okay, secret number 2. If your ad is not working, I want to tell you one thing here. Second part, if I talk about specifically Facebook here, you need to really understand your dream customer. Okay, more than 90% दोस्तों, 90% लोग फेसबुक में ऐसे ही रैंडमली टारगेटिंग करते हैं. जो फेसबुक shows 25 interests we target, and more than 96% people are targeting same interest. There's a red ocean. Okay, I have some secret tools which I will be sharing in my upcoming like workshop, but I'm telling you that is important. You have to target right audiences no matter what you are doing. Okay, that is secret number 2. Now number 3, I'm telling you how to make your like ads working again and make ROI on your Facebook, or I mean to say on your ad spend on marketing effort. Guys, I'm telling you here, you should focus on your dream customer. I'm telling you what I'm to say, dream 100. Basically, this is the guys actually Russell Brunson says dream 100. One of my mentor Russell Brunson says. So what is dream 100, guys? The dream 100 is nothing but, guys, dream 100 is nothing but your competitor, or in your industry the other influencers, like it can be micro influencer, macro influencer, big influencers. I am telling you, you need to start doing collaboration. Okay, cross collaboration. Like if somebody from India, like I'm having like a good relationship with Siddharth and other member, like there are so many people, you can start building relationships. So how you can do that one? Definitely you can first add the value, do some relationships, do some like don't like directly don't be pushy here, but कुछ relationship build करो. इससे फायदा ये होता है कि down the line you have relationships. Suppose right now I have 25,000 list. Okay, so if you are somebody that level of influencer, we have relationships. You can like something is relevant to my audiences, I can recommend your product to my audiences, and you can recommend my product to your audiences. That is how you can do right now. Okay, and dosto, secret number 4, if you want to make maximum ROI in your ad. Okay, fourth, you can appoint the affiliate. Suppose you have XYZ product, it can be digital course, it can be physical course, it can be anything dosto, it can be anything. So I am telling you, आपका product कुछ भी हो सकता है. You can appoint the affiliate. Right now in my product, I have created like 40% flat commission or like bonus. People who recommend my product, my services, so that I make maximum ROI. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? If you are spending 1 rupees on the Facebook ad, and if you want to make 10 rupees, if you want to pick up 10 rupees, dosto, that is the way. I'm telling you, what is, guys? That is the way to make 10 rupees. Why? Because I'm telling you guys, see, if you just rely कि boss मैंने webinar किया अभी और मैंने product sell किया मुझे 10x है, नहीं दोस्तों, I told you right, dream 100, cross promotion, organic contents, affiliate promotion, that's how you make this 10x profit. And I was like, you know guys, how many of this guy, this book, like .com Secret by Russell Brunson, guys, this guy talk more about highly recommended book .com Secret. So basically this guy talk about the dream 100 and other strategies. Okay, so let me recap. If you are literally struggling with your ads, you are not getting sales or not getting consistent sales, there are some 4 to 5 major points. आपको आपका advertising देखना है, offer क्या है. Second, do you have funnel, multiple product. Third, where are you promoting your product? And इंडिया के अंदर अभी फेसबुक है. आई एम कोचिंग लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल ऑन दैट पार्ट. बट दोस्तों बताना चाहूंगा, जस्ट डोंट रिलाई ऑन पेड एड्स, डू सम ऑर्गेनिक, जस्ट लाइक आई एम डूइंग दिस लाइव सेशन. यू कैन डू ऑर्गेनिक, यू कैन डू लाइक ड्रीम 100, like your other influencer collaboration, as I told you. Fourth, like affiliate promotion. That is the one thing you can do. Okay, I hope these tips are really helpful. And even though wherever you are doing, like if you are doing influencer partnership, think if they are really qualified for you, or if you are targeting like people on the Facebook, check if you have a dream customer. And those are the things. Okay, if you are somebody, you might be doing, guys, if you are a small business owner, you want to become a one, or आप already trainer, coach, consultant ho, if you are struggling with your ads, your funnel not getting ROI, I have something good news for you. You can, first of all, you can share your comment below. What is your biggest challenge right now in your business, in your marketing, in your funnel? Because I would personally like to reply to that one. Okay, because right now I have started a new project called High Performance Facebook Funnel. Okay, I am having other coaching program as well, but I started that funnel to empower the entrepreneurs, expert business owner in India, to boost them with that tool. Okay, so that's the reason I come forward and started that one. first of all, you share your comment below. I would like to create more video, reply you personally. Second part, if you want to like hang out with my winning community, niche link hoga description, just like join the group. We hang out there. I share a lot of updates there. And if you are somebody already in the business and looking for that breakthrough, I have something good news for you. In upcoming weekend, I'm doing live high performance Facebook funnel weekend workshop. I'm telling you, not just another webinar. In this webinar, I will be telling you some secret weapons. I normally charge a lot of money, but I will be sharing all of them in that workshop. There is a price is very minimum. You can go click on the button and check out that one. Okay. Also, if you like this video, if you got some value, please comment below. Also, do me favor. Whoever you have some आपके कुछ दोस्त है, friend है, partner है, please share this video with them. Nobody knows किसको कितना benefit सकता है. Okay? If you want to help somebody to stop their struggle, get some clarity, and get ROI in their ads or whatever you are there doing, I'm here to help. Okay, guys? So my name is Dattatuley. I'm digital growth expert and Facebook ad master. Right now I'm telling you because that's how I'm getting ROI. Spend more than 50 lakhs on the ads, generated over 100,000 lead for me and my client, guys. Okay, not only me but for my clients also, coaching so many peoples. Okay, so yeah, so share your comment below. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, share your comment below, and let's work together. Okay, guys, I'm super excited to meet you, help you. Dhanyawad, thank you very much, and let's work together. Dhanyawad.